Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to return something on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to My Orders right here and search for item that you want to return. Tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button Returns and Refund. So now it should look like this. When you want to make a return on AliExpress, first of all you have to answer a few questions. So the first question is, did you receive your item? Select Yes option. And the second question is, do you want to return your item? Select Yes as well. Here in this line you have to provide reason why you are requesting your refund or return. So tap this arrow and select one reason that describes your problem the best. Tap continue, and here you have to enter refund amount if you of course want to have your refund, because usually when you do return on AliExpress you do not get your refund. Next you have to confirm your return method. So here are two methods. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and the second is self drop off. So you have to decide for yourself which one works out for you best, and tap one option. Next, additionally, you can provide more information about your problem. So here in this box you can write a few sentences where you in details explain what exactly happened to your item. Describe your issue. And here you can upload some photos and videos as evidence. And of course, do not forget to submit your request in the very end, and basically your request will be processed within a few business days. And after your request is approved, make sure that you have your unique free return label. And in order to get it, you need to go to My Orders section. Now I'm in My Orders section. Then tap on the order that you want to return and open Dispute page. And there you should see your free return label. It should be there. But please pay attention that you have a deadline of 5 days to do that. And if you miss this deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute. So download that free return label and print it out. Then pack your parcel and stick your return label to it. And usually you have 15 days after receiving your label to drop off your parcel at the local post office. And basically then after you send your item back, you have to wait until your seller receives your package from you. And actually for more instructions you can go to whatever item, scroll down to the section Return and Refund Policy, tap Learn More, scroll down to the section Free Returns, tap View More, and here you can see additional instructions on how to do it and some information about returns and refunds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.